waking up every morning feeling light, strong, and full of energy. Not younger in age, but younger in spirit. What if staying healthy and youthful wasn't about expensive treatments or strict routines, but about small, powerful habits that reshape your life from the inside out? In today's episode, we're diving into the real secrets behind lasting vitality, the simple daily choices that keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and your heart full of life. Eat for strength and energy. Good nutrition is the foundation of lasting strength, energy, and vitality as we age. The foods you eat directly affect how your body functions, how quickly you recover, and how youthful you feel. Many older adults unintentionally eat less or skip important nutrients, thinking their bodies don't need as much. However, the truth is that proper nutrition becomes even more essential with age because your metabolism slows down, muscle mass naturally decreases, and nutrient absorption may not be as efficient as before. Focus on eating a wide variety of colorful, whole foods. Fresh fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage and support a healthy immune system. Lean proteins like fish, chicken, beans, eggs, and lentils are vital for maintaining muscle mass and preventing weakness or fatigue. Whole grains such as brown rice, oats, and quinoa provide steady energy and support heart health. Don't forget healthy fats found in avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds, which help maintain brain function and joint health. Try to reduce your intake of processed foods, refined sugars, and excessive salt. These can increase inflammation, raise blood pressure, and drain your energy levels. Instead, enjoy home-cooked meals whenever possible. Small changes like swapping sugary snacks for fresh fruit or adding a handful of nuts to your breakfast can make a big difference over time. Hydration is also a crucial part of good nutrition. As we get older, our sense of thirst may decrease, so make it a habit to sip water throughout the day. Staying hydrated aids digestion, improves concentration, and keeps your skin glowing. Eating well isn't about dieting or restriction. It's about nourishment, balance, and self-care. When you fuel your body with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods, you'll feel stronger, more energized, and ready to enjoy life to its fullest every day. Everyday movement is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining health, energy, and independence as we age. Staying active doesn't mean pushing yourself to exhaustion or engaging in strenuous workouts. It's about keeping your body in motion regularly and joyfully. Even small amounts of daily movement can strengthen your heart, improve balance, boost mood, and enhance flexibility. The key is consistency. Moving a little every day can do far more for your well-being than occasional intense activity. Simple activities such as walking, stretching, gardening, or light household chores count as meaningful exercise. A short 20-minute walk after breakfast or dinner can improve digestion, regulate blood sugar, and help you sleep better at night. Gentle stretching in the morning helps loosen stiff muscles and joints, preparing your body for the day ahead. Activities like yoga, tai chi, or swimming are excellent for improving balance, posture, and coordination while also reducing the risk of falls. Movement also stimulates blood flow, which keeps your mind sharp and your energy levels high. When you move, your body releases endorphins, natural mood boosters that help reduce stress and feelings of anxiety or sadness. Physical activity is not just about staying fit, it's about feeling alive and confident in your body. If mobility is a concern, start small and progress gradually. You can do seated exercises, lift light weights, or practice simple leg and arm movements from the comfort of your chair. The goal is to keep your joints flexible and your muscles engaged. Make movement part of your routine by choosing activities you enjoy. Dance to your favorite music, walk with a friend, or play with your grandkids. When exercise feels enjoyable, it becomes something you look forward to rather than a chore. Keep moving, and your body will thank you with strength, stability, and vitality. Rest and recharge, rest and recovery are essential parts of staying healthy, energetic, and youthful. As we grow older, the body needs quality sleep to repair tissues, balance hormones, and restore mental clarity. However, many seniors struggle with poor sleep habits, irregular schedules, or restless nights that leave them feeling drained the next day. Good rest is not just about the number of hours you sleep, but also about the quality of that sleep. Deep, uninterrupted rest helps the body recharge, strengthens the immune system, and improves mood and focus. Creating a calming bedtime routine can make a big difference. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to help your body establish a natural rhythm. Before bedtime, dim the lights, turn off electronic devices, and engage in relaxing activities like reading, gentle stretching, or listening to soft music. Avoid caffeine or heavy meals close to bedtime, as they can interfere with your ability to fall asleep easily. Your sleep environment also plays a crucial role. Make sure your room is quiet, dark, and comfortably cool. A supportive mattress and pillow can reduce discomfort and help you maintain proper posture during sleep. For some people, white noise or nature sounds can help block out distractions and create a peaceful atmosphere. Rest doesn't only mean nighttime sleep. It also includes moments of relaxation during the day. Short breaks, meditation, or even a brief nap can refresh your mind and reduce stress. Allowing yourself to pause and breathe deeply gives your body the chance to reset. When you make rest a priority, you'll notice better energy, improved focus, and a greater sense of well-being. Remember, recovery is not a sign of weakness. It's a powerful form of self-care that keeps you strong, balanced, and ready to enjoy each new day with clarity and purpose. Stay positive and connected. Staying positive and connected is one of the most powerful ways to maintain health, happiness, and longevity. A positive mindset not only uplifts your mood, but also directly influences your physical well-being. When you focus on gratitude, optimism, and meaningful relationships, your body responds with lower stress levels, stronger immunity, and better overall vitality. Emotional health is just as important as physical health, and nurturing it can transform the way you experience each day. As we age, it's easy to withdraw or feel isolated, especially if routines change or social circles shrink. But connection is essential for mental and emotional strength. Talking with friends, joining community groups, or volunteering can provide a sense of belonging and purpose. Sharing laughter, stories, or simple daily moments with others releases endorphins, the body's natural, feel-good chemicals that help combat loneliness and anxiety. Staying socially engaged also keeps your mind active and sharp, reducing the risk of memory decline. Positivity is a practice that can be developed. Start by focusing on small joys, sunshine on your face, a good cup of tea, or a kind conversation. Writing in a gratitude journal each day can train your mind to notice the good rather than the negative. When challenges arise, approach them with patience and self-compassion. Remember that your thoughts shape your experience. Choosing hope over worry makes life brighter and more manageable. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Positive relationships act like emotional nourishment. They help you feel valued and supported. Spend time with loved ones, reconnect with old friends, or even adopt a pet for companionship. Every connection adds warmth and meaning to life. When you nurture your relationships and keep a hopeful outlook, you don't just add years to your life, you add life to your years. Hydrate and appreciate life. Hydration and gratitude may seem simple, but together they hold the key to feeling vibrant, balanced, and youthful at any age. Water is essential for nearly every function in the body, regulating temperature, aiding digestion, transporting nutrients, and keeping joints flexible. Yet, as we grow older, our sense of thirst naturally decreases, making it easy to become dehydrated without realizing it. Even mild dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, confusion, and dry skin. That's why it's so important to drink water regularly, even when you don't feel thirsty. Start your day with a glass of water before your morning coffee or tea, and keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day. Herbal teas, soups, and fruits with high water content, like cucumbers, oranges, and melons, are also great ways to stay hydrated. Limiting sugary drinks or excessive caffeine helps your body retain fluids more effectively. A well-hydrated body functions smoothly, supports clear thinking, and helps maintain healthy skin, giving you a natural glow from within. Alongside hydration, nurturing a sense of gratitude can profoundly impact your mental and emotional health. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's present, reminding you of life's daily blessings. Taking a few minutes each morning or evening to reflect on what you're thankful for can lower stress, improve mood, and even strengthen the immune system. Whether it's appreciation for good health, loved ones, or simple pleasures, gratitude builds resilience and joy. Combining hydration with gratitude creates a daily practice of care for both body and mind. Every sip of water can become a reminder to slow down and appreciate the moment. When you nourish your body with water and your heart with gratitude, you invite peace, clarity, and vitality into your life, helping you feel refreshed, renewed, and fully alive each day.